Tired of your amazing products getting lost in the online shopping jungle? I'm here to show you how to boost your product's visibility with the magic of Google Merchant Center and customer reviews. First, log into your Google Merchant Center account. You'll need to have your product feed already set up. If you don't, Google has plenty of resources to help you get that done. Once you're in, navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you manage all the items you want to advertise on Google Shopping. To display product reviews, you need to use a third-party review platform that integrates with Google. Popular options include Yotpo, Bazaarvis, and Trustpilot. Make sure you've chosen one and properly configured it to collect reviews for your products. The review platform you choose will provide instructions on how to submit your product reviews feed to Google Merchant Center. This usually involves creating a structured data file with all your review information. Following Google's specific format, most platforms automate this, making it super easy. Next, go to the Marketing tab, where you can see the Product Reviews section. This section provides a summary of your review data and helps you monitor its performance. After Google processes your review feed, your product listings on Google Shopping will start displaying star ratings and review counts. This makes your products stand out, builds trust with potential customers, and ultimately drives more sales. And that's it. By leveraging the power of product reviews in Google Merchant Center, you can increase visibility, influence purchasing decisions, and watch your sales. Or don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.